Hey, welcome back to this channel. Today we're obviously doing an unboxing video of the American Express Platinum as you saw me open the box. I actually already have the American Express Platinum, but my sister just applied for the card and she was kind enough to send me this card so I can do an unboxing video on my channel. So if it's not for me, at least smash the like button for my kind and very nice sister, and maybe even the subscribe button if you're interested in any credit card videos, money management skills, or finance related topics. Let's just go right into the video today. Alright, going right into the video, this is what the front of the box looks like. And from earlier in the video, we already know what the back of the box looks like. And I did go ahead and open this box already and blur out any personal information. I wanted to be extra careful, or more careful, because this is my sister's information and I wouldn't want any of that being released or exposed. And that is one of the promises I made her when she sent me this card. So now we're going to go ahead and open this card. But I did make sure to put everything back the way I found it, as funny as that sounds. So this is actually how the order is going to be when you open the card. Or open the box. Alright, you guys ready to open this box and see what's inside? Just imagine a light coming out as we open it. So here we can see, welcome to Platinum, unlock a world of experiences, and then it says hashtag Amex Platinum. You gotta give Amex some credit trying to keep up with the trends here, using some hashtags and everything. And in the past, actually, if you had an American Express Platinum, it would come in a wooden box, and it's kind of a shame to see that it's not the case anymore. I guess it is kind of a special type of cardboard with accents on it. I don't know if if the camera catches that, but there's a design here that I guess is supposed to make it look more fancy, which I do think it's a good looking box so far. Looking at the card, this is usually, if we could zoom in, right here where I have the tape is where your 4-digit security code would be, and here will show when you've been a member since, and right here where I have the second piece of tape would be where your name is put. Looking at the back of the card, this is where your card number would be, as well as expiration date. And you can read this right now. It says you can confirm your card by going to the URL or going to the American Express app. I also believe that you can confirm your card by giving them a call. Now, before going on to the rest of the video, let's do a quick drop test to see if the new American Express Platinum sounds any different. All right, drop test number 1, and another, and one more. Just to compare what that sounds like to the American Express Gold, I also have my own personal American Express Gold card. And the Gold card, that's what that sounds like, and the Platinum. So the Platinum does have a heavier sound to it, and personally I favor the way the Platinum feels. It feels more sturdy, and the sound is just more, I would say, luxurious. Now moving on, I don't know if I should start with the top or the bottom. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to go with the top today, starting from the top. This is what the American Express envelope looks like, and as you can see, this is where your address would be, but I blurred it out. Opening the envelope. The address page has nothing but the address, unfortunately. No information, just a bunch of barcodes and some tape where I had to blur out the information. The next page is going to be your credit score report. So on this page, it's actually kind of useful if you guys want to know your credit score. It kind of breaks down what a credit score is, what a credit report is, and how they use your credit reports. So that's a pretty neat feature. But where you're going to be getting most of the information that is relevant to you is on the back. My sister's credit score is only a 736. She got a lower credit score than me, and I got Experian to back it up as of October 17th, 2020. Maybe she needs to watch my YouTube videos more. And here it'll just tell you the range of scores and what the scores exactly mean, and key factors that might be affecting your FICO score. So really the only important and relevant information to you is probably your FICO score. Moving on into the next page, here we're going to find the card member agreement, and this is where the name would go, obviously, and the account number. But where you're going to find information valuable is going to be your account pay over time limit. And my sister's pay over time limit is $2,500, which is actually, I think, lower than mine again. Dang, I just can't keep roasting my sister. I mean, she did send me this, so let's try to be more positive. This is just going to break down the APR rate and the annual membership fee right here, $550, as well as any penalty or transaction fees. Looking at the back, we can see that there is how they calculate rates and how the fees work with American Express, what return payments are, late payments, and how pay over time works. And this is a pretty cool feature of American Express because the American Express Platinum, Gold, and Green card are all charge cards. So with the pay over time feature, you're going to be able to pay your large purchases over a long period of time. So it kind of is Amex's way of trying to be competitive with these different types of credit cards, although it's a charge card, meaning that if your purchase doesn't qualify for this feature, you are going to have to pay the whole balance every month. And this page is just, just breaking down what a cash advance is and detail of changes to your card member agreement. Now looking on into card member agreement part 2 of 2, this is like a pretty thick book packlet. I don't know if you guys can see how many pages there are. I'm not going to go over all of this. It seems like it's just a fine print that Amex releases, again, to cover themselves, just in case they get a lawsuit, get sued or something. But this is just really breaking down how Amex does business with these cards, how they process payments, determining rates, defaults, and canceling the cards and everything. I'm just going to quickly flip through this so you guys can actually see what the book is like. It's nothing too special, really. I don't really feel the need or the importance of covering this. And here's another packet just discussing more of the Amex disclosures. It says the Amex Platinum Membership Guide, Additional Disclosures. It's like a pamphlet, kind of. It'll just tell you the additional benefits that you have. It's nothing too special. It's nothing that you can't find on the website. This is kind of cool. I feel like they added this after COVID. This is just them breaking down the streaming service credits that you get, whether that's US streaming subscriptions or your wireless phone service providers, $20 each month. And on the back, you're just going to see the offer term details. Nothing too special. So that is the front of the package. And now that's the top. So that is the top of the package. Let's take a look at what's in the bottom, because they do have another compartment here. When we open up the bottom, we can see that there is more. Ooh, this one's more colorful. There's more pictures. So this is going to break down how you can confirm your card, as well as what you need to do to get the most out of your card. I think this is a really good initiative by American Express because sometimes it is kind of confusing. So as soon as you get this card, you want to enroll in Uber rides with Platinum, your Shop Saks Fifth Avenue, your Priority Pass Select, your Hilton Gold status, as well as your Marriott Bonvoy Gold status. These are all things that you should definitely be doing when you're paying a $550 annual fee. And these are more of a second priority. You could select the airline you want to get your $200 airline credit fee for, or even apply for global entry or TSA Pre. Another cool thing about TSA Pre is that if you already have it and you have a friend who loves traveling, you can give that TSA Pre-check credit to them. So that might be a good Christmas present if you are planning that around the corner. And this is like the third priority that you could do, adding it to your digital wallet or setting up monthly bill payments automatically. I really do like the packaging, and this isn't really flimsy type of paper. It's very like a cardboard type material and very firm. So good job on this, Amex. Another travel poster type thing, and I think this is breaking down the point structures where you'll be earning 5x on. As we all know, the American Express Platinum earns 5x for flights purchased directly through the airlines or American Express Travel, as well as hotels booked on amextravel.com. But once again, I really like the way this paper feels. I don't think it's really paper, it's more probably like cardboard. I love the picture, by the way. I think this is somewhere in Italy, or maybe Greece. I might be mistaken. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what place this is. We got a couple more we got a couple more pictures that we got to go over, so let's just take them all out at once. So this is getting you familiar with their American Express Global Lounge access, and it even directs you to all the resources that you can use to make sure you're not missing out on any lounge opportunities. This is breaking down the $200 airline credit. I feel like for every benefit, they have a very nice picture that goes along with it. This is, again, a pretty cool picture. And this is just telling you how you can go about and earn your $200 annual airline credit fee. This is the Global Dining Collection. I'm not really too familiar with this benefit. Obviously, you need to use the Platinum Card Concierge Service. And I have heard some positive reviews on the concierge service. When you don't want to be calling all these restaurants and reserving, you can just give the Amex line a call and they will take care of the reservation for you. Moving on to the Elevate Your Hotel Stays. It's another great picture. Apparently this is in the Dominican Republic, and I'm pretty sure this is talking about the 5x points we get back. You know, I really like how they made these pictures relevant to the benefits. It would have been a shame if they just put random like travel pictures and then they talked about the Uber credit. But with this picture, obviously we are going to be notified about the $20 or the $200 annual Uber credit that we have. We're getting close to the end. This is Share the Love. What could it be? We have their backs. So this is talking about the additional card member program they have. If you pay an additional fee where you can give your family members or your brother or sisters Amex Platinum card by just paying around $175 for additional cards, or you can earn more points by referring this card to your friend as long as they use your referral link. Hey guys, that's all we got for today's video. If you did enjoy this unboxing video, make sure to drop a like. And if you can help this channel out by using the referral link or by checking out any other videos on this channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and you know how it goes, right? Peace.